Make sure y'all click that subscribe button and that notification bell so you can always receive alerts, and give me a big old thumbs up. Hey you guys, it's your girl Chiquisha from Her Lovely Plan, and I'm here today to do a plan with me in my mini. Yes. So as y'all know, we are less than 60 days away from putting our 2018 babies away and introducing our 2019 planners. I am super excited because this will be my first year starting January 1 with a happy planner. So I have tons of planners that I will be doing videos on next year. As well, I have a new baby that I am introducing into my lineup. She is not an Erin Condren. She is not a happy planner. She's not a recollection. For those that follow me on social media already know who baby is, but for those who don't, you have to wait until she comes because I'm going to do a live reveal on YouTube. But nevertheless, we are here to enjoy this one just for a few more months and weeks in these in 2018. But anyway, so we're gonna go ahead and get started in my setup. But before I do that, make sure you all have went ahead and clicked that subscribe button and the notification bell so you can always receive alerts when I upload new videos. And make sure you click that thumbs up button if you like what you're seeing so far. So this was last week's spread, and it was Halloween themed. As you can see, it was very functional for me. I got a lot of stuff to accomplish. I'll probably say about 5% of it wasn't done, which were my workouts, because I was waiting on my Zumba DVD set, because I'm just not a gym person, and I do like to walk and go outside and work out, but it's nothing like being able to just jump out of your bed, put your workout clothes on, and do a workout, and then if you have free time in the evening, repeat it. So I'm going to actually do a live later today, creating a half sheet for my workout plan, because this comes with a plan. But anyway, back to this. So we're going to go ahead and get started. And this week is the actual first full week of November, so we'll be doing November the 5th through the 11th. Not really sure what theme I'm going to go with or what color pattern. I kind of want to use these colors that are already in here on the side, like lilacs, this teal kind of color, and this peachy kind of color. But we'll see. I got some really cute stickers out of the Live, Love, Inspire kit that I might use. So anyway, if you want to see how this week gets set up, keep watching. So I decided to go ahead and use the multi-pack, and this particular multi-pack is called Boss Babe. I know you can get it definitely at Hobby Lobby and probably at Michael's, but I know for sure you can get it at Hobby Lobby. So I wanted to use this exclamation mark sticker. Tuesday is a very, very important day. Not only is it voting day, but it's also the Villa Beautiful pin release. So you know I had to mark that day. as you can see, I have multiple packs of the original colorful boxes sticker books. I mean, what's a girl to do when they run out of colors? So you have to have a backup, right? So these sticky notes that come in the multi-packs are love. Not only can you use them as a sticky note, but you can use it as a sticker. And the way to do that is to use some glue like you see me doing here, or some type of adhesive like a tape runner. So y'all see I had to go back to the sticker I tried to lay down a few minutes ago. I'm doing this because if you're gonna put it back where you got it from, you wanna make sure that you line it up perfectly, because if it overlaps on that paper, when you go to reuse it, the paper from the sticker sheet will stick to that sticker and it will pretty much ruin it. Now y'all already know this would not be a Her Lovely Plan with me without a sticker doll. And in this spread, I wanted to debut these new cuties that I got from Stickers by Rhonda. These sticker babes, I'm gonna call them babes because they just look like little babies. They are so adorable. I got a couple of sheets of these smaller ones. I got some Happy Mail ones. Y'all can see I'm laying them out right now. So cute. And I also got some bigger ones to use. But these stickers are adorable. I hope y'all like them. If y'all do, make sure y'all check out Stickers by Rhonda. That's what she goes by on Instagram, and that's the name of her store. So I'm about to add some finishing touches by using some washi. And you guys, I have so much washi, just like I have so much stickers. So I am raising my right hand, pledging that I am going to use more washis in my spread. I just have to make use of this washi. As I sit here and do this voiceover, I'm looking at this tower of washi and just shaking my head. Okay, you guys, I hope you liked this week's plan with me. If you did, make sure you drop a comment below, give me a big old thumbs up, and as well, share this with your planner friends so they can be inspired to create their own lovely plan. So until next time, Planner fam, peace.